What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video today it's all about the Infinix Hot 8 and Hot 8 Lite. These are not the review, but these are like the things, the highlights, the things which they're coming on this kind of device. It's been launched on India on September 4th. So I think it's gonna be something great. But I thought that why not should I share with you guys my thoughts or my kind of spec bump out of the phone, whereby if they launch it, it's gonna be something great. So I think we have just to understand one scheme before we continue on this video. It's just that we have to understand where we had been and where we are going. Like, I mean, we have to understand the Hot 7, what it has. First of all, Hot 7 has a 6.2 inch, which means in Hot 8, which is gonna be coming up on September 4th, it's gonna be having a 6.6 or even somewhere 6.9. Now, I think to my own kind of aspect for the bigger and bigger display, it's just that you're gonna enjoy how much your display is gonna give you that kind of full view of the display. But it's not actually full view, since there'll be like a water drop notch. You know, guys, I hate notch because of one main reason. I think it's a new technology which we're supposed to embrace it and give it go, but some of us, we are that kind of people who would like no notches. I mean, no notches at all. Like, if you see on my phone, which I'm using is Xiaomi, and I've been enjoying on this device, like, sincerely, it's very smooth because of not only smooth because of the display, but I love no notches on the display. Now let us just continue with our video. Now on this kind of Hot 8, we're gonna get something like a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage, which means on Hot 7 we had a 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Yeah, 32GB of storage, which I think to my own kind of aspect is quite decent. Something else on the Hot 8 which we're gonna see, I think we're gonna see much better battery. Now on Hot 7 it's 4000 mAh battery. I think Hot 8 is gonna be having perhaps 4000 or 5000 mAh battery. I cross my fingers for that. Perhaps it's gonna be 4000 or 5000 mAh battery. I think it's quite decent. And something else about the Infinix Hot 8, what will be packed in, it's MTK processor. We have actually used to that for the Infinix devices. Don't expect like Snapdragon or something. If it's gonna be Snapdragon, it's gonna be a biggest game change for the Infinix, and I'll really recommend that device for everyone. But since it's been launched in India, I think is the way to go first, to see what they're gonna put on the table before it goes worldwide to other regions and countries and stuff like that. Something else, we're gonna see a much better camera. Now on the Hot 7 we saw 13 megapixel camera, but for the Hot 8 we're experiencing much better pixels. I think to my own kind of aspect for the Infinix Hot 8 is gonna be sparking a lot of bunch of new features, and just crossing my fingers, it's gonna be not that much bad. It's gonna be a top-notch device, though it's gonna be a budget device. So for all the fans out there of Infinix, just know that these are like highlights for you guys. Not only highlights, but like a spec bump for you guys to know that the Infinix is coming on the way. And if it's coming on the way, this is the Infinix Hot 8, and it will be released with an Infinix Hot 8 Lite. I think the Lite version is gonna be like having an Android Go. I think I'm crossing my fingers for that, but not 100%, but I think somewhere in 50%. Thank you guys for watching. If you love these videos today, let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Infinix Hot 8. Is it that much better device compared to the Hot 7, or is it an annoying device for you and you're thinking about switching to a Snapdragon processor, or you're thinking about shifting to a different type of processor, or is it RAM so minimal, or is it your pocket doesn't allow you to go to another different device? Yeah, definitely. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. So thank you guys for watching. Love this video today. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim112. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and good news, we're about to hit that 3000 subscribers. If you do that, support the team. I'll really appreciate it. And yeah, that's what it is. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.